Alright guys, right now I'm going to show you guys how to make an Etsy store. So what I've done already is I've already came up with an idea. I found a product that I could have manufactured, drop shipped, or made on demand. And I can go through a different, what those three different ways of doing business are in a different video. But what I did now is I found a product that I can create a store for. What these are night lights. Plug into the wall. I get them manufactured from somebody else that I found online actually. So I'm not actually printing these. These are being made by somebody else, which is pretty cool. So my job here is to make a marketplace, market and sell these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the Etsy store. I'm gonna market them. When I get a sale, I'm gonna ship it to the manufacturer. In this case, it's a college kid making these out of his dorm room, out of his house. So it's pretty cool. And then so he'll ship these for me to my customer along with my promotional marketing. So how did I find out if this was a good item to sell on Etsy? Couple things I did. First thing I did is I went to Etsy and I typed in nightlight. Okay. I'm just gonna refresh my screen here. Actually, let's go to Etsy. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and type in nightlight. So by typing this in, I already know it's a pretty decent and pretty highly searched item. So why I know that is because I see nightlight is the fourth searched item here. So nightlight is a good searched item. And when I go here to nightlight, there's a bunch of nightlights. Nothing that will look like what I'm going to provide. So it's awesome. It's a perfect opportunity for me to make this product. I have a little competition. I see some people that have names: Olivia, Elena, Archer. Some more over here. Some other custom stuff. Oh, there's somebody that's very similar. Very similar. Cool. I didn't see that one before. So we know that this is an item, and even seen one. There's very, very little competition here. Okay. So it's a good store. So I'm gonna go back into this here, Etsy store. What I did already is I named my shop, and all I did was make up some name for this store. And got started. They want you to add one item right away when you make your store, so it's forcing me to make an item. So here's that. I'm going to add a video later, kind of the production. So I'm just going to write nightlight. And just for extra little bonus here, check this out. If you go in personalized, it's personalized gifts is the first thing that comes up. So you know that item searched a lot. I like that item. So I'm actually going to add personalized gift right here. Personalized gift nightlight. Perfect. Who made it? You can do I did or a member of your shop if it's your company, if it's your manufacturing, however you want to word it. Our team is doing this, so I did. It's a finished product, and they're actually made to order. They're very custom. So in the category, let's see what we had for category. See if anything comes up for nightlight. Nightlight, home and living. Perfect. So we're going to find this item in these three categories. Primary color, I'm just going to add white. Yeah, so the reason why I'm going through all of this stuff here is because the more things that you click for Etsy in your listings, the more things you use, the better the algorithm is going to work for you. Okay. I don't really have a secondary color, so I can't really use that one. Room, bedroom, bathroom, kids, living room, nursery. Perfect for all of those. So again, I'm checking all the boxes. I'm filling in all the fields because Etsy likes that. Etsy's going to give my store a better boost because I'm filling out all the forms. I'm using all of their tools. And then also these are keywords now that are going to be within my listing because I'm clicking these options. Material, let's see. It's a plastic mold. That'll work. Height, width, depth, I don't know exactly. I can get those later. Occasion, you can add an occasion if it's specific. This is custom, so maybe it's like a birthday picture, an anniversary picture. You could definitely do that. You know, if this is which picture we're using, the baby, we could always do a baby shower. Happy birthday, that'd probably be a good one. Just get different ways for people to search your item. I'm not gonna select anything at this point. Holiday, automatic, renewal. I do automatic. That way, when it expires or it's out of stock, it automatically comes up. Type. This is a physical product, and I'm just gonna write personalize night light for any. And I'll add a more description later. I don't want to get into all that. But description is also a totally different subject that we can get into. You're going to want to add some keywords into that. But for this stake, I just want to get this item made just so I can get our store made, okay? Tags, this is super important. So this is very, very important. So we're going to add tags. Basically, this can be search terms when people are looking for your items. So it could say baby nightlight. Personalized. Oh, too many. Let's try custom. There we go. All right, and I can go on and on too, and that's an let's just get through this. All right, add your materials. Good. Pricing here. $40. Quantity 1. SKU. Variations. Personalized. We're going to yes. All these are personalized. Instructions. Please send photo in Etsy messages. Along with order number and address. This way, I want all the information in one, so when I do get this order, I can send it to my manufacturer, copy and paste, everything's done. So they're sending me the photo in the Etsy message along with their order number and address, so I can confirm it. And then over here, this is what the buyer will see, their personalization. And this actually is not optional. All right, shipping address. This is a new store, but I'm gonna set up free shipping. They might want me to do all of that right now, and I can do that to show you. Shipping price free. All right, cool. One business day. All right, so I'm just gonna go through this really quick. Enter your information. You know, your country, your zip code, your shipping address. If you're gonna do fixed prices manually, I'm actually gonna do calculate for me. I'm not sure if that switches anything. Okay, this is what I was looking for. I'm gonna do free shipping anyways, and that's what Etsy likes. So I'm kind of jumping around here. I haven't done this in a little while. All right, again, we're gonna do one business day. I'm gonna ship worldwide and United States. 6 mail classes shipping service. I don't want to click all of those. And we're going to do USPS first class mail. And Standard International. Not today. We're not going to do today. So we're going to edit this one just to do United States only. If I was doing print on demand, I would click that else. All right, enter this information. I'm going to guess right now, just for when this is packed, it's going to be in a 6x6 inch box. That's going to fit just fine. All right. So we got free shipping. This is basically what I wanted. All this stuff's not super important for me because I always do free shipping with my Etsy stores. So I add that into my cost. It'll probably cost me $5 or $6 to ship this. So I added that into my shipping costs. Etsy likes that. It also adds you a little bit higher on the Etsy algorithm. One second here. All right, we're just going to say it's 13 ounces for now. All right, cool. Doesn't matter, like I said, it's free shipping. This doesn't really matter. It's going to calculate something and give it to them for free. All right, stock your shop. Now we got one item made. Perfect. How we're going to get paid. Yeah, this is very simple. Etsy steps you through this super easily. How you can get paid. Individual or sole proprietor. This is what most people are going to do. If you are a business, click incorporated business. Enter your name, last name, date of birth, address. Click save and continue, and then set up your billing. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Your Etsy store is up and running, and that's the beeswax for that. Let me know if you guys need any help, and thank you for watching.